My name is Ronnie Verdoot and I am from Belgium. I came to Shenzhen in 2009 to do the electronic business, and in 2015 I started a Heart for China because of an earthquake in Nepal that caused a lot of damage and many lives were taken away actually. In that spirit I wanted to do something good actually for the people here in China. So one of the biggest problems what we had in the beginning was that many people say that it's impossible to create something on that stage because we didn't have money, nobody got paid, but we keep doing it every week again with a good spirit, a good positive energy. So Heart for China moved on and grew very fast. Okay, I'll follow you.
Hello, grandmother.
A Heart for China has many stories and many people that I feel attached to. Over the past years, I helped many people, and I need to say they are actually a part of my life here in Shenzhen. So many people ask me why I'm doing a charity in Shenzhen and not in my own country. It's very easy actually. I'm living in Shenzhen, I'm living in China. I love Shenzhen. It's more easier for me to start something up here. And I also feel that there are many foreigners that are eager to do something good here with Chinese people to do volunteering. In the past years, I see that China is more open to foreigners, and many foreigners also applied for volunteership in the official Chinese charities that is going on here. I also saw that the government is doing a lot of effort for poverty, for health, for educating, to increase the lives of every citizen here in China. So for myself, I'm very proud, and I'm looking forward actually if a Heart for China is still there in 10, 15 years